To increase the height of the Kun 7, you'll need to swap this piece called the pad adapter. It comes already installed on your shoulder rest between the coupler joint and the pads. In your box you'll also find two higher adapters. Loosen the screws completely, like this, and remove them. Detach the joint from the pads and carefully place it on the table in front of you. You will see the standard adapter still in place on the pads. Remove it carefully and replace it with the plus 4mm or the plus 8mm pad adapter. Note that the adapter only fits in the slot in one direction and will fit snugly in place. Once the adapter is secure, place the coupler joint on top of it. Then place the corresponding washer and screws in the coupler joint slots. Before tightening, be sure to position the coupler joint at your preferred angle, as in step 4. Using the adjusting tool, turn the screws clockwise until the joint is securely attached again.